Imagine someone opening a credit card in your name, taking a loan, or accessing your email and social media accounts. And you have no idea it's happening. This is identity theft, and in 2026 it's easier than ever for cybercriminals. But how exactly do hackers steal your identity? And more importantly, how can you stop them? Identity theft happens when criminals collect enough personal information about you to impersonate you online. That information can include your email, passwords, phone number, address, banking information. Once criminals have it, they can open accounts, steal money, or even sell your identity on the dark web. The most common way hackers steal identities isn't hacking you directly. It's data breaches. When companies get hacked, millions of records can leak online, including emails and passwords. And once that data is leaked, criminals can use it to access your accounts. Another common method is phishing. Hackers send fake emails pretending to be your bank, a delivery service, Netflix, or even your workplace. The goal is simple: trick you into entering your password. Sometimes hackers don't even need technology. They use social engineering. That means manipulating people into giving information voluntarily. For example, someone calling pretending to be tech support or a bank agent asking you to verify your identity. Malicious software can also steal your data. Some apps or downloads install spyware that records passwords, banking information, private files. And you may never even notice it. The biggest problem with identity theft is that most people don't even know their data has been leaked. That's why monitoring your data online is important. For example, tools like Panda dark web scanner can check if your email appears in known data breaches. You simply enter your email address. The tool scans databases and dark web sources. And if your data appears in a breach, you receive an alert so you can secure your accounts immediately. To protect yourself from identity theft, use unique passwords for every account. Enable two-factor authentication. Avoid clicking suspicious links. And regularly check if your data has appeared in a breach. Cybercriminals only need a few pieces of information to impersonate you online. But the more aware you are, the harder you make their job. Stay informed, protect your data, and stay one step ahead of cybercriminals.